In this part, we are going to add the facial expressions to our character. First, we go inside and increase the frames in the head symbol. We add the keyframe on frame 20 on all the layers inside the head symbol using the F6 key. We will now enter each symbol in the head such as eyes, eyebrow and mouth. We will increase the frames and add a keyframe on frame 20 and change the expression. In the mouth symbol, we increase the frames, add a new layer and add a keyframe on frame 20. We choose the sad mouth shape from our library, copy it and paste it on the new layer on frame 20. This pose has normal eyes and eyebrows, so we only change the mouth here. Let's move to the next pose where he knocks on the screen. Here the mouth is closed. We again enter the head symbol and keyframes on frame 38 on all the layers. We enter the mouth symbol again, add a keyframe on frame 38 as seen in the video and copy the closed mouth shape here. On the next pose, we have eyes slightly closed from the bottom. We already have a patch inside the eye symbol below the eyeball. We will enter the eye symbol and add a keyframe and move the patch up as seen in the video. We had seen this in previous tutorial. We also keep the mouth smiling. Using the same process, we add the expressions to our character poses. Please see the video and follow.